We're here today in Sheffield. It's the hub of advanced manufacturing for the country, and companies like ourselves and a range of other innovative organisations find it really important to get together and to share our experience of that scale-up process.
I'm particularly interested in the history of materials science, particularly the mining side of history, and together with a colleague we're paranoid about going to mine sites and collecting equipment and various other bits and pieces. So it was really me describing things of interest around where material science has come from and where it's actually going.
Jonathan's lecture tonight was actually fit for purpose, and the most important thing was, don't assume because your company's getting older it gets more valuable.
I think the value of an event like this is for the people who attend to understand a little bit more about what it means to sell a business, what the steps are that are involved, how they can build the value, and ultimately how they can maximise the value of their business at the end. I think that new technologies are where we're trying to focus all the time, because a lot of the value, if you look at the graph codes that we showed, the high valuations are going to be with those really, really new businesses, high multiples. But the problem sometimes is that you still also need to focus on the more mature businesses, because after a while they still have a huge value, and we don't differentiate. We try and focus as much on the larger businesses at a later stage as much as the startup businesses at the early stage. And Jonathan showed a chart that showed the value of businesses declining over time. I really believe that with the advent of artificial intelligence and a lot of the new technologies, if they are adopted by some of these northern manufacturing businesses, we could see the most unusual chart which goes down in value and then up in value over time.
Actually, digital transformation in Sheffield is very important for the city. I'm just in that area, also digital transformation, and I am interested in investment in technological high-tech companies.